How to mint and flip NFTs for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can mint NFTs and flip NFTs to make money as a complete beginner. It is super fun and super easy, so let's get started. Today I will be using OpenSea.io. OpenSea.io is an amazing and world's first and largest NFT marketplace out there where you can find different NFTs, where you can mint NFTs, trade them, and flip them as well. So that is why we will be using OpenSea.io, and I will show you how to mint your own NFT with OpenSea.io very easily. So let's start with the process. What you have to do is simply go to OpenSea.io and you will land on this platform right here. Now, you don't need to sign up or add your email address or anything, but you will require a crypto wallet in order to sign into your profile, and you will have to connect your wallet to your OpenSea. You will find the wallet option right here. Simply click on the wallet and it will allow you to connect your crypto wallet, any wallet that you have. So you can connect your MetaMask, Coinbase, Wallet Connect, and then we have Formatic. So I'm going to go with MetaMask. MetaMask is super easy to get. You can simply go to metamask.io and get your MetaMask wallet right now. So you are a beginner. Let me tell you that you don't need any funds in your wallet in order to connect it to your OpenSea or to mint your first NFT. So it's okay if you do not have any funds in your wallet. Just simply go ahead, create your MetaMask, and then connect it to your OpenSea. Now my MetaMask has been connected to my OpenSea. We are good to go. Now what you have to do is you will find this option of create right here. Click on create and it will again ask for your MetaMask permission. So you simply have to sign into your wallet and then we will be able to mint our NFT. So this is where I will be minting my NFT. This is like super easy to do. We simply fill in this form like create new item, and then I will be able to create my NFT on OpenSea. So let's start. First, we have to upload our NFT right here. Your NFT can be PNG, GIF, MP4, MP3, any file, and then the maximum size should be 100 MB. Simply click right here and select your NFT from your computer. So I have selected this NFT right here. This is my NFT that I created. The next step is going to be adding the name of your NFT. Simply add name. I'm gonna call it Blue Bitcoin. So this is the name for my NFT. You will add the name right here. Then we have external link. This is actually any link. If you have any URL, any page that has the details about the NFT, you will simply add it right here. But don't worry, if you do not have a page, then you can leave this option. I am gonna leave this as well. Then we have description. You will simply add description about your NFT, whatever you want to add. I'm gonna just go ahead and write the word description for now and not going to write anything, but you will simply add the description right here. Then we have the collection option. This is important. This is where you have to select a collection, in which collection you are going to be minting your NFT. So I have two collections right here, so I'm going to select this one. Now, as a beginner, you will not have any collection. So don't worry, because when you mint your first NFT, your new collection will automatically be created. So don't worry about that. But if you want to create a collection, you simply go to profile. In collections, go ahead and you can create a collection first and then mint your NFT. But this is like super easy. You simply create your NFT and your new collection will be created with the NFT. So don't worry about it. Then we have the properties, levels, and stats. Properties are the traits that are shown as rectangles, and these properties actually are determine the rarity of our NFT, that how rare our NFT is, and more rare the NFT is, the more price we have for it, the more floor price for the property, and then we can flip the NFT for better price. So I'm gonna go ahead and add just two of the properties. Let's go for color and let's go for blue, and I'm going to click on save. Then you can also add level stats as well. Then we have unlockable content. Unlockable content means that adding any content that is only revealed by the owner. You can add any private information right here, and it is only revealed to the person you want to reveal it to. Then we have explicit and sensitive content check. Of course, you will check it if your content is sensitive. Then these options are really important. The first one is the number of items that you want to mint. So we are going to be minting one, and there is no gas cost to you because we're minting just one. Then we have the blockchain. This is really important, on which blockchain you are going to be minting your NFT. So on OpenSea, we have Ethereum. OpenSea is Ethereum based platform. Then we also have the Polygon as well. Polygon is a fast gas free experience if you want to go for. So I already do not have any gas fee, so I'm gonna go with Ethereum because most of the buyers want to buy in Ethereum. So I'm gonna go with Ethereum, but you can also go with Polygon. Then we have freeze metadata option. Freezing your metadata will allow you to permanently lock and store all of the items content in decentralized storage. So now click on create, and your first NFT will be minted on OpenSea.io. So you can see right here our NFT has been minted on OpenSea. It was super easy to do. Now I can check out the blockchain right here. This is the name of the NFT. This is the NFT itself. If I want to sell it, then I will simply have to click on sell. I will add the price, and then there is a 0.25 cost of the platform, and that's it, and you will be able to sell your NFT. I also have different NFTs from the collection showing right here. So this is how you mint your NFT. Now let's say I wanted to flip the NFT, and how to flip NFTs on OpenSea. So let me just quickly show you that how the flipping works with NFTs. So you can see right here we have these NFTs right here. I have opened the explore page on OpenSea, so we have all of these different NFTs. Let's say I want to flip an NFT and I'm looking to buy NFT to flip. How flipping works? Well, flipping simply means that I will buy any NFT on the price that is given, right? Or maybe in an auction for lower price. I will buy the NFT and I will keep it. I will wait for the floor price, for the market value of that NFT to go up, and then I can sell it for profit later. Let's say that I buy any NFT for maybe 1 Ethereum, and then I can sell it for maybe a 1.5 Ethereum or maybe 1.05 Ethereum. So we know in Ethereum we actually make hundreds to thousands of dollars within just 0.5 or 0.25. So I can simply go ahead and then make profit with NFTs. That is how a lot of people make profit, and they flip NFTs. Let's say that I want to buy this NFT right here. This is 0.05. Now what I will do is I will open it up, check it out, and buy this NFT with my crypto wallet. I will buy it for 0.05 Ethereum, and then maybe later I can go ahead and sell it for 0.08 Ethereum or more. But of course there are different factors that depend while flipping NFTs, as you have to go for collections that are actually good, that actually have the potential to go up, because we don't want to waste our money and we don't want to invest in any NFT that is not going to explode. So make sure to find the best collections, or you can find the top collections right here in the rankings, and you can check them out. Then another factor that really matters is the rarity of the NFT. Make sure to check the rarity with rarity.tools. Once you do that, you will find that which NFT has the potential to make you the maximum profit, and then you can simply start flipping. That is how we flip NFTs on OpenSea. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to mint and flip NFTs. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.